In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom's Immersive View. This exciting feature is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their virtual meetings by turning their video calls into a more engaging and interactive experience. It allows participants to be placed in one virtual background, giving a feel similar to sitting in the same room, which can lead to more natural conversations. So, let's dive into the steps and explore how you can set this up in your next Zoom meeting. First, you'll want to locate the grid icon. This is situated in the right-hand corner of your Zoom meeting window. You might be familiar with this area of the interface if you've used Zoom's gallery view or speaker view before, as it's often where you can switch between different display options. When you click on the grid icon, it will open up a drop-down menu featuring various viewing options. It's straightforward and should be easy to spot once you navigate to that section of your screen. Once you've clicked on the grid icon, you'll need to select the option labeled Immersive. This option is specifically designed to alter the way you and other meeting participants are displayed. It's an intriguing choice because it allows for a more cohesive and immersive experience by placing all attendees into a shared scene. As you explore these options, you might see different preset backgrounds, ranging from a simple office setting to more creative environments like a classroom or even a coffee shop. After selecting the immersive option, you'll be prompted to make a selection. Here, you get to choose from available scenes that fit the tone and purpose of your meeting. Whether you're aiming for a casual team catch-up or a formal corporate presentation, there's likely a scene that will suit your needs. This step also involves deciding how many participants you wish to include in your immersive view, as some scenes might have a capacity limit. It's a good idea to pick a scene that complements your meeting's mood and style. Finally, the last step is to click on the Start button. This action will activate the immersive view, creating a unified layout that brings everyone together into one virtual setting. Participants will appear seated in the environment you selected, which can make interactions feel notably more dynamic and engaging. Remember that you, as the host, have the ability to reposition participants manually if needed, allowing for a tailored setup that perfectly matches your meeting's flow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of Zoom's immersive view in your online interactions. It's an innovative tool that helps break down virtual barriers and offers a more connected experience